It wouldn't be a float plane meeting without a Catalina.
No.
I've got one in the car as well.
Have you? Whose is that?
X10 boat.
Oh,
The
yeah,
white
yeah.
one.
Oh, that one. Right.
It's quite a job to put it all together.
Yeah.
Is this built from a kit as well?
Ivan Pettigrew plan.
Plan.
So it's the Mini Cat model.
Mini
he does.
Cat Ivan Pettigrew.
But this one has slight modifications. In that being an engineer, I like playing with stuff. So
What
I
sort
built.
of engineer are you?
Aerospace engineer.
Right, good.
Home built retract.
Oh
When they
my
work.
word! Really?
So this will go in our hall.
Although that's not working properly. So.
Oh, yes, yes.
But they'll stay in there, hopefully.
Yeah.
And also.
That's the first time I've seen retracts on a Catalina. Well done. What
working
happened
tip
there?
floats as well.
What was that?
The tip floats.
No.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Tape up the skirt a bit.
So you retract them in flight for less drag, I guess?
Yes. And if you're doing touch and goes, it saves catching them.
Yeah.
Half the pain in my back.
Nice. The full size doesn't do that, does it?
It does.
Does it
For
really?
efficiency, yeah.
I didn't know that.
But like most items, it flies properly. Last time this flew was here last year, and it ended up sunken right in the middle.
Oh no.
It took on a lot of water.
So it's balsa
It's all balsa, yeah.
film covered.
Yeah. Sounds ideal. Okay, guess I'm landing.
Oh, what are the motors stopped?
Yes. Yeah, it made a weird noise on that. No, we've lost the motor.
It's a bit clunky when you're taking off it.
Yeah.
It's when you're taxiing it, it's a bit.
Oh well. Out with the boat again.
Maybe not. It won't end up there, it's fine.
As long as it drifts somewhere.
Yeah.
Big clockwise turn.
Go that way.
And a bit of rudder. This is the only problem with float plane flying. You do need a boat. And I've been in it 3 times today.
Yeah.
Someone else's turn.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah.